The AUTO-VOX RV backup camera AVS2-W7 stands out with its straightforward installation process, allowing you to set it up in less than 30 minutes without the hassle of running long cables through your vehicle. This camera system boasts a robust and stable wireless signal, ensuring a lag-free experience even at high speeds, which significantly enhances driving safety for RVs and trailers. Equipped with a high-definition 1080p monitor and infrared night vision, this system offers clear visibility in complete darkness, thereby improving parking safety. The 7-inch monitor supports 2 camera inputs and features a split-screen function, enabling you to view 2 angles simultaneously, which is ideal for hooking up trailers or monitoring behind your vehicle. With a 135-degree wide-angle view, this backup camera eliminates blind spots and provides a comprehensive image, making it easier to navigate tight spaces. The camera's durability is assured with its IP69K waterproof rating, allowing it to function perfectly in extreme weather conditions, along with excellent customer support and a 1-year replacement warranty from AUTO-VOX.